In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix a Roblox connection error on your mobile device. If you are facing a Roblox login problem and are unable to connect to the game, don't worry. There are a few simple steps you can follow to troubleshoot the issue. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. Then, scroll down this list of apps and find the Roblox app. Tap on it and then tap Offload app. Tap on it again to confirm. Offloading an app on iOS means removing the app itself while keeping its documents and data intact. This process can help reset the app's configuration and potentially resolve any underlying issues that might be causing connectivity problems. Then, tap Reinstall app. Reinstalling the app provides a fresh set of files and settings, ensuring that any corrupted data or misconfigurations that could be causing the connection error are eliminated. This method is akin to giving Roblox a clean slate on your device, allowing it to establish new connections without any previous problematic configurations hindering its performance. Once you've done that, go back, scroll down to the bottom, and tap VPN in Device Management. If you are connected to a VPN, you need to disconnect that and also make sure that your internet connection is stable and strong. Weak or unstable internet can often cause connection errors in mobile games like Roblox. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve any Roblox connection error or login problem you may be experiencing on your mobile device. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.